Welcome to the Adhikari Academy training on opening a savings account with Axis Bank with Spice Money. In this training, we will learn about savings account, how to open a savings account and its benefits, things to remember while opening a savings account. Let us know what is saving accounts. Spice Money Adhikari can now become a trained Axis Bank agent with a savings account service. It is an instant paperless account opening system with zero documentation in which you, that is Spice Money Adhikari, can open the savings account for your customer. A savings account is a basic account type that allows you to securely deposit your money in the bank. Axis Savings Account ensures safety and access to money whenever the customer or a Spice Money Adhikari or a banking agent needs to. Customers can also withdraw their funds digitally or in person at any time. Let us learn about the benefits of opening a savings account. Open savings account for your customers with initial funding of Rs 500 only. From the initial funding only, Rs 250 will be deducted for the debit card. Open the digital savings account of your customers in just 3 minutes. The most important thing is this is a zero frill account and the customer does not need to maintain any monthly minimum balance. There are no extra charges for that. Customers will receive a Visa debit card delivered directly to their communication address. The customer also enjoys other benefits such as a checkbook facility and internet banking service with this account. Apart from this, Adhikaris will be able to provide services like cash withdrawal, cash deposit and balance check to the Axis Bank account holders through APS and earn an attractive commission at the same time. To open this savings account, Spice Money Adhikari must have a biometric device. Spice Money Adhikaris can open saving account for their customers by following the mentioned steps. Log in to Spice Money Adhikari app with ID password. Click on the savings account tile. You can check the feature available in the savings account as well as share the details with your customer. You can also watch the video to know how to open a savings account. Now tap on Open a Bank Account. Enter the mobile number of the customer. Accept the terms and conditions and tap on Proceed. Remember that at the time of opening the account, the Adhikari is required to maintain the minimum balance in their wallet. The initial funding amount will be deducted from the Spice Money Adhikari's wallet. Now the Spice Money Adhikari is required to enter some important customer details. First, enter the income details of the customer. Tap on Fill. Enter customer's annual income. According to the annual income of the customer, the PAN availability option will appear on the screen. If the customer's annual income is more than 2.5 lakhs, then only the PAN card number will have to be entered. If the income is less than 2.5 lakh, then the option to fill out the Form 60 will also appear. Select the appropriate option. Tap on Confirm and Continue. An OTP will be sent to the customer's mobile number. Enter the OTP and tap on Submit. Income details have been successfully entered. Tap on Fill to enter Aadhaar card details of the customer. After entering the Aadhaar card number or the VID number of the customer, the Adhikari must select biometric device he has. Tap on Scan Finger and scan the fingerprint of the customer on the biometric device. Accept the terms and conditions. Relevant customer details such as customer's name, Aadhaar number, gender, date of birth and address will be captured. Tap on Confirm. Now two options of Aadhaar linking and Aadhaar seeding will be available on the screen. With the customer's consent, choose the appropriate option on their behalf. Aadhaar linking means that you are linking the customer's Aadhaar with Axis Bank. This enables the facility of cash withdrawal, cash deposit and balance inquiry from this Axis Bank account through APS service for your customer. Aadhaar seeding helps the customer to receive DBT such as LPG, PM Kisan, pension, subsidy, etc. On selecting the Aadhaar seeding option, this confirmation will appear on the screen. Whether the customer's Aadhaar is seeded with any other bank or not, select the option shown. And if it shows as Aadhaar seeding with any other bank account, then search the name of the bank in the search bar shown. Tap on Save, accept the terms and conditions and tap on Confirm and Continue. Aadhaar details have been uploaded successfully. Please remember that if a customer has already filled his PAN card details in the first step itself, then the option of Form 60 will be available. And if the customer has not given the PAN card, then it is necessary to fill out the Form 60 as follows. Upload Form 60 by tapping on the Fill option and fill the other details. Tap on Click to upload a live photo of the customer for eKYC. Now take a live photo of the customer. Ask the customer to place his face in the frame and blink his eyes. Photo must match with the customer's Aadhaar card. After the photo is uploaded successfully, KYC has been submitted successfully. After the details are verified, the KYC verification will be completed successfully. Tap on fill to enter the personal details of the customer. Select marital status, enter father's first name and last name, enter mother's first name and last name, select the education qualification of the customer, occupation type, select occupation, select business nature. If you want to have a nominee in the bank account, choose the appropriate option. If you select no, then you will need to give the reason, enter the email ID of the customer, accept terms and conditions, tap on confirm and continue. Personal details have been successfully added. If you have selected yes for the nominee on the previous screen, then now you have to add the details of the nominee. Tap on fill to add the details. Tap on fill to enter the address details of the official customer. The customer's permanent address will be filled, which must be the same as his Aadhaar card. If the permanent address and the communication address are different, then there is no need to change it. If customer wishes to change the address, proceed by tapping on change address and enter the new communication address. Keep in mind that after account opening, the customer's debit card will be delivered to his communication address only, so fill in the address correctly. According to the communication address, the nearest branch details and address of the bank will automatically appear on the screen. Customer can choose the branch at his convenience. Tap on confirm and continue. Address details have been uploaded successfully. Tap on pay for account funding. Pay the prescribed initial funding amount. Give the initial funding amount details to the customer. Tap on confirm and continue. Read the details of the schedule of charges that appear on the screen, and after reading, tap on understood. To pay, tap on the scan finger and get the customer's finger scanned by placing it on the biometric scanner. The funding amount will be deducted from the Spice Money wallet. The amount that was deducted from the wallet will appear on the screen. Tap on pay now. Customer details have been successfully submitted. The details will be verified based on the uploaded details. Tap on the check status to know whether the details are verified. After the account is successfully created, the customer account details will be shown on the screen in the following manner. Name of the account holder, account number, account type, how much amount has been paid, branch name, branch IFSC code. Share all these details and provide the customer with the printout of the receipt. After successful funding, the customer's virtual debit card will be allocated and displayed on the screen. Customer can set a PIN by tapping on the Set PIN debit card and also can check their CVV number on the screen below the image of their virtual debit card. The same process can also be done on the Axis mobile app by the customer. Once the account is activated, use the card details to log into the Axis mobile app, or the customer can use the virtual debit card for the transaction in the same manner as the physical debit card. If the customer has not been able to note down his card details such as account number and card expiry date from here, that is from the Adhikari's place, then all these details will also be available to him on his registered email address. Once the account is activated, within 7 working days, the joining kit, debit card, checkbook, etc. will be delivered to the customer's communication address. In this way, open a savings account easily and increase your customer footfall and earn an attractive commission. Let's look at the important do's and don'ts that you should keep in mind while opening a savings account. Always take the customer's consent before opening an account. Always capture accurate and complete information from the customer. Please provide or notify complete and accurate information about Axis Bank and its products to the customer. To open a bank account, please ensure that the customer has an Aadhaar card number and PAN card. The Spice Money Adhikari must list the service charges fees at the shop. Spice Money Adhikari should explain the features and benefits of the bank to the customer. Always provide system-generated receipts to the customers. Never take Aadhaar card copy from the customer. Advise customers not to share their OTP, debit card number and personal details with anyone else. Never collect unauthorized service charges or fees from customers. Never refuse services to the customers. Do not share the customer's personal details such as mobile number, name, date of birth with any third party or person. Never open fake or anonymous accounts.
Dear Spice Money Adhikari, please keep changing your Spice Money login password from time to time every month, and it is also suggested that the password should be strong enough such that it should have one capital alphabet, one small alphabet, one digit and one special character. Never put your name or your date of birth in the password.
Thank you for completing the training.